The 2025 Ram 3500 isn't just a pickup, it's a revolution on wheels, a beast engineered to dominate every road, every trail, every challenge you throw at it. At $120,000, it commands attention, respect, and a hint of fear. This is more than muscle and torque. It's a statement, a game changer in the world of heavy-duty trucks. Today, we dive into what makes the 2025 Ram 3500 the ultimate monster of the highway and off-road alike. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2025 Ram 3500, you know it's something extraordinary. The exterior is aggressive, sculpted, and unapologetically commanding. Every line, curve, and vent isn't just aesthetic, it serves a purpose. The bold grille, framed with signature LED lighting, announces its presence before the engine even roars. Aerodynamic tweaks from the sculpted hood to the reinforced fender flares aren't just for show. They optimize airflow, reduce drag, and give this heavyweight truck a surprising agility. Look closer, and the details reveal a marriage of luxury and power. Chrome accents glint under the sun, while the muscular wheels promise traction that few trucks can match. Optional carbon fiber components shave weight while adding a futuristic edge. And those enormous all-terrain tires, they aren't just for mud or gravel, they're engineered to conquer deep snow, rocky trails, or asphalt highways with equal dominance. This truck doesn't whisper, it announces. Step inside, and the 2025 Ram 3500 transforms from a brute force of nature into a luxury command center. The cockpit feels like a digital command bridge. A 12-inch touchscreen dominates the center console, seamlessly integrating infotainment, navigation, and real-time trail analytics. Haptic feedback, crisp graphics, and intuitive menus make every interaction feel immediate, almost cinematic. Every surface is a testament to craftsmanship. Premium leather seats with heating, cooling, and massage functions hug you like a throne. Soft touch materials, brushed aluminum, and wood accents blend rugged durability with luxury refinement. The cabin is spacious enough for a family road trip, yet equipped to make solo drives feel like a first-class adventure. Ambient lighting sets the mood for night drives, highlighting contours while preserving visibility. Connectivity isn't an afterthought. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an integrated Wi-Fi hotspot ensure you're always online. Multi-zone climate control keeps passengers comfortable, while advanced noise cancellation filters the roar of that beastly engine, making even long-haul drives remarkably serene. Now, let's talk about the heart of the 2025 Ram 3500, the engine. Options include a 6.7-liter Cummins inline-six turbo diesel or a 6.2-liter Hemi V8, each calibrated to deliver staggering power. The Cummins diesel produces over 1,050 pound-feet of torque, making towing massive trailers feel effortless. The Hemi V8 isn't far behind, with 410 horsepower, ready to launch you from 0 to 60 faster than you'd expect from a truck this size. Acceleration is smooth yet ferocious, aided by an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that anticipates your inputs. Adaptive air suspension ensures the ride is composed even with a full load, while electronically locking differentials and off-road driving modes allow this truck to tackle unpaved trails like a predator in its natural habitat. Fuel efficiency? Surprisingly competitive for a heavy-duty truck of this caliber, thanks to cylinder deactivation and intelligent turbocharging. It's a rare combination, raw, unstoppable power and smart engineering that maximizes every drop of fuel.
Ram hasn't skimped on safety. The 2025 3500 is packed with driver assist technologies that make both urban commutes and off-road escapades safer. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, and forward collision mitigation work silently, intuitively. For off-road adventures, trailer sway control and hill descent assist give the driver unprecedented confidence in extreme conditions. Innovation doesn't stop at assistance systems. Ram's new trailer management system integrates real-time diagnostics, trailer cameras, and automated braking, ensuring that hauling a 20,000-pound load feels like piloting a luxury sedan. The digital rearview mirror provides a clear view past any obstruction, turning the truck's massive frame into an asset rather than a liability. At $120,000, the 2025 Ram 3500 isn't cheap, but it's more than a price. It's an investment in dominance, capability, and luxury that competitors struggle to match. Ford Super Duty, Chevy Silverado HD, and GMC Sierra HD all offer high performance, but the Ram 3500 blends extreme towing capacity, advanced tech, and a lavish interior like no other. It's a truck that transforms expectations. For fleet owners, it's unmatched reliability. For enthusiasts, it's the ultimate off-road machine. For weekend warriors, it's a luxurious companion on long road trips. This is more than a pickup. It's a lifestyle statement, a testament to engineering that doesn't compromise power for comfort or luxury for capability. Behind the wheel, the Ram 3500 feels cinematic.